I'm filming overhead. I want to show you this installation driver. Hopefully the camera angle and everything will be good for you, but to show you this. But this is that installation driver, the bag that it comes in. And this is something that is just staying with me everywhere I go. Stays in the truck all the time. And it really works good. Of course, this is the little installation driver. It's the one that, you know, you change your heads out on it like that, and you got your different assortment of heads. But this bag is a good size, and I'm able to put like these in there. This is the way I put them in there, is like this. And then this thing will, let's see, need to take that head off of it, like this. And that's the way it sits in there good, just like that. And then this is the box of like bits that I have. And then I've got an extension in here, a tape measure, a pencil, a couple of these Milwaukee squares. And so the bag is really, really neat. Whoop, I forgot that head was laying on that. But the bag is just perfect because it fits in just like that and zips up. And so I thought that might be of interest to somebody because, you know, a lot of jobs you go to, or I go to, just in repairing a few things or whatever, you know, you got a good assortment here. You know, you've got your little angle, you got this for drill bit, got this angle, and of course I had to send that in, have it repaired, and they sent me a new head for it, you know, one of these driver heads. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video, show you that installation driver, that bag. There's a 3.0 battery, because that is just a perfect size for me to take with me everywhere. Got a handle on it. Y'all have a blessed day.